All right, peace and light. I'm going to put these up in case somebody wants to go ahead and get ahead. So I've already done the first six assignments. I know that you're counting, so I'm letting you know that the crossword and the unscramble is an actual assignment in order for you to practice some terms in a different way. That would have been our game day. And it would have been a competition. And then with us having challenges with internet, etc., I'll try to stage a game once our Microsoft Teams is more familiar. So maybe by the time that we go on, if this time of school closing is extended, like Virginia. With that being said, Bargani students, Bargani. The major announcement suggests I hope you're doing well on the work. All the work is due before we come back to school. As you know, the time has been extended, and I won't see you until almost May. So at this point, and that's today, and I don't know what tomorrow will bring. So if things are extended, then I'll obviously be sending more wonderful and amazing videos. All right, so let's look at the video. All right, so here we go. We have If by Rudyard Kipling, the purpose and pattern. So it's a pattern inside this poem. Step one, number the stanzas. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 stanzas. The lines are already numbered for you. Go through each line. Circle words you don't know. Put exclamation points for things you're excited. A heart for things you connect to. Then over here in the margin, write about why. Capture the main idea of this. Write that main idea over here or summarize it. Then label literary devices. Imagery, simile, onomatopoeia, oxymoron, metaphor, personification, irony. Label those things. Once you've actively read and annotated, look at this sheet. This sheet will give you some insight into the poem in order to help you do the next assignment. The next assignment is for you to analyze the poem. This is answer the question, cite an example from the poem, meaning get a quote, and explain that example. Each of these deserve 3 sentences each. It's assignment 6. Actually, assignment 7. Assignment 8, the pattern, how many? This is a song by Zion 1. Please make sure you look online, listen to the song, enjoy listening to the song more than once. Please analyze the song, what you thought about the song, what you felt about the song, how many stanzas in the song, was it repetitive, was it redundant, did it have much substance? Then you're going to answer these questions after you annotated the text. These questions are answer, cite, and explain on each of them. Number 8. Number 9, assignment 9, poetry writing exercise pattern. So now you get to exercise what you've learned and determine if you can do it for yourself. To do this exciting activity step by step. Next, investigating personification. One of the major things used inside of poetry that is put to music, hip hop. Personification is amazing. Lodged by Robert Frost. Read it, write on it, label the lines, circle the rhyme, circle words you don't know, excuse me, underline the rhyme, write on there what it is, label the personification, metaphor, simile, and here we're going to talk about personification. So personification, you have the sheet. This time I didn't give you the help sheet because it is a repeat. Answer, cite, and explain the same way. Here's the next assignment. Excuse me. Sylvia Plath, I Am Music by Common. So now you get to hear Common's I Am Music. Please listen to it online. Just make sure you label, write all over the sheet. Let's compare and contrast so you see I've given you an example and started you off. Then you should be able to do the sheet pretty easily. Oh, pardon me, I apologize. The next one is um, the activity where you use personification, you have to actually write it on your own and give you an example on each one. And then you have to use personification. And now here you get to write a personification poem, which is awesome. Which brings us to our 10th assignment, rhyme examples in classic, end, internal, and half rhyme. So you can go and label the things that you went through already with the different types of rhyme in case you've forgotten. It's a good review. All right. Next, poetry writing, similes, and metaphors. Easy work, straightforward. Examining symbolism. So these are our last two assignments. Again, you have 13 assignments. So it'll be able to carry you on into the full 4 weeks. So this is by Ice Cube. You have to listen to this song online. Examining symbolism. 3 strikes. Then once you look it up, you'll have this right here to help break it down if you need it. Unlike you won't because you are a genius. Last sheet. All right. With that said, let me turn it back. That is done. You've gotten all that I can give you at this time. When you post to me, email me, what have you, I will change the things that need to change in these recordings to be better at tutoring, better at explaining if you need more detail. Peace, love, and light. Remember to be joyous. Remember to express joy and love to those that you care about. Peace and love.